In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom fields in Trello. Let's get started. So custom fields are actually extra pieces of information you can add to your Trello cards beyond the default ones like title, description, and due date. So they let you customize your cards to match your exact workflow. Let's do an example. After successfully logging in into your Trello account and being able to access the homepage, you just want to scroll below into your workspaces and click on the exact board in which you want to add the cards field to. Let's say I have a section in here, and on these cards, I want to add a custom field. Just select a card, and then you want to go to the Add section below the title. Then you will see Custom Fields. Now, on these custom fields, you could actually create a new field. In this new field, I want to add a reference, and on the field type, you could actually select if this is a text, a drop down, or a checkbox. Let's say a drop down, and I want to add an item for references. Let's say YouTube. Then you can change the colors and then click on Create. When you do create that, it will add a custom field for references. Now, let's say I want to add a field for priority. You could do that for status, risk, and effort. And if you want to remove those, just click on the specific field and then uncheck on Show Field on front of card, just for you to hide it. Now, if we go back to our card section, you will see that each card will have a custom field. And for the custom one I made for reference, if you click on YouTube, it will automatically be set as a YouTube. You will also see this within the card itself. And that's about it. That's how to use custom fields in Trello. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.